Hey everybody, lesson 10. Guess what we're working on today? You got it. More two-step equations. Now the quiz is really just the mathematics part, but the assignment is the word problem. So you just have to figure out what to do in the first step, and then of course what to do in the second step to answer the question. So Carrie played a video game and scored 20 points 7 times. So this one we're getting into bigger numbers. So 20 times 7, so 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, that's 5. 20, 40, 6, 7, so 140 points, 7 in those 7 times. And then 55 points 1 time. So we'd have to take those 140, add to those 55, and we'd get 195 points. I'll do the last one. Ellie has 36 stamps, and his brother has 24 stamps. So they put their stamps in the same book. So to me, that means they're combining them, which is addition. 40, that's 60. They use 10 pages. They have the same number of stamps on each page, which I'm glad it ended up to be 60, because that made that a lot easier. So 60 divided by 10, or 10 times what is 60? So they have 6 stamps on each page. 6 stamps times 10 is 60 stamps. So as long as the numbers are working out, this should be pretty doable today too. 9 rows of chairs. So this is an array kind of a problem. So each row has 20 chairs, so 9 times 20, so you could count by 20s, or remember, if you imagine it without that 0, it's 9 times 2 is 18, tack on a 0, 180. After the students were seated, there were 12 empty chairs. So how many were filled? Well, we'd have to subtract those 12. So minus 10 is 170, 169, 168. I would do it in my head quicker than I would do it. So 168 filled, chairs filled. And I'll do the bottom one too. Science poster shows 9 insects with 6 legs each. So that's a equal groups problem. 9 times 6 is 54 legs. And then a spider with 8 legs. How many legs altogether? So we'd add 8. So plus 6 plus 2, 62 legs. It's a pretty doable, but you just kind of got to figure out the operations on your own. That's the hard part again today. Have fun.